We are from Computer Engineering Department of Bogazici University, and this is our graduation project, which is about hardware-assisted dynamic data race detection. First of all, let's define what is a data race. It is a concurrency bug which is hard to find and predict manually, and they occur when two or more threads access to a same data location and when one of them is a write operation. To illustrate the problem further, let's look at the example here. Here in this application there are two threads and each of them are going to increment and counter variable x by 1. As you can see, there are three different traces, and at the end of these traces the results can differ, and because of these differences the program can have different execution paths. And now we are going to talk about how to tackle with this problem.
First of all, the solutions proposed can be software or hardware. So the problem is the pure software solutions are slow and the pure hardware solutions are costly. So the solution we implemented is a state-of-the-art algorithm. SIGRACE is a hybrid algorithm. And the good thing is its overhead to the program execution is only 2%. The working principle of SIGRACE is very simple. So we are required to keep for each thread a timestamp, a read filter and a write filter. So the timestamp helps us to construct a happens before relation between two threads, and read and write filters helps us to keep the information that which threads are accessing which information. So you see here an execution trace of a program, and in the end of the program or in a synchronization point we ask the question, are these threads concurrent? So if they are concurrent, we check the timestamps, we check the balloon filters. If even one of these threads are writing simultaneously to a location, then there is a data race. There may be a data race, maybe a benign data race, but there may be a data race, so we warn the user about it.
For our future work, we are going to implement the replay module, which is going to replay the same execution and try to find if it is a real data race or a false positive. And another future work is to implement the hybrid data race detector, which is proposed by Kıcı and Alper, and add hardware assistance to that project.